Hello, so here we are in my silver apartment here at Butlin's Minehead, as you can see by the board up here. So we start off here in the living room. By the way, this is a second floor apartment, and the living room has a TV, convention heater, and two sofas, one here, one there, and then just behind is the kitchen, and you get kettle, microwave, fridge, oven with hob and a sink, and in it there is a toaster. It's where all your utensils across the cupboards, all your cups and saucers and stuff up in there. You also do get cups that actually have like coffees in them when you first arrive. You've also even got an extractor fan for the hob as well, just to demonstrate. So, yeah. And there's a socket here. Then you've got a couple more sockets here for like charging and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the living room. For some reason this living room door is spring loaded, don't know why. Oh yeah, and here's just a cupboard with cleaning stuff and an ironing board. And your fuse box and all up here. Just a little tiny door. So yeah. So, I've got to show you something. This double switch here, only one of the switches is actually wide. You press this, nothing happens at all. So turn this one on. And yeah, it is the same with that one, but I won't demonstrate. That works for that light. So exiting the living room. Careful with this door because it slams. So you've got two switches for this, for the hall light. Comes up there. The other one being down the end there as you enter. Yeah, next to the no smoking sign is what that is there. In fact, I'll turn it off this end. So, if we could just go into here, turn this switch on, we enter the bathroom, which also has a light over the mirror, and there's me, hello. Pull the string, light comes on, LED. So, sink, toilet, and a shower. I have no idea what that does. Probably power supply for the shower or the fan. I have no idea. Or even for the heated towel rack here. That is a heated towel rack, which I found out by placing my hand in it back to burn myself. Yeah. And because there's no window in here, the fan does remain on for a bit just to circulate air. So, the left bedroom is a twin bedroom with your wardrobe around the corner. The only thing that the bedrooms are absent from are sockets, so if you want to charge stuff, you've got to charge it in the living room. You've got two switches, one here as you enter, one here for when you turn your light off at night, so yeah, fluorescent light there. Going to here, this is my room. Got the double bedroom. And these beds are really lovely and comfy. Got a nice sunset photo there with Minehead, with the Bristol Channel off of Minehead Beach, and again you got the double light switches with the fluorescent light. So when you go to bed, you turn off this one. So yeah. As well as that, we've got the other light here, which is a pull string light here. I have no idea what sort of bulb it's got in there. Probably LED, I don't know. Mirror, you can see me just about. Now look, And behind the door, got a nice double wardrobe. Yeah, so you got your shelving up here, you got more shelvings here, you got your hangers. So yeah, really nice little apartment. The silver apartment here. It's you know, you can live here pretty much. It's that nice in my opinion. It's a silver apartment, so not exactly luxury, but still nice. And yeah, so I've been having a really good holiday here at Butlin's Minehead. I've watched a few shows in the centre stage, which has one of the biggest which has one of the biggest, what do you call it, sound systems. It's an L Acoustics Kira system. Unfortunately, I couldn't really film it because I was a bit busy in there, but it was really good. The bass in there and like the sound quality is excellent. It's unreal. I was reading about it on a company called SSE on their website, and it was telling they actually the company that installed it, and yeah, they talk about how good it was and what have you. I believe the original speakers may be Martin Audio speakers, because that's what they are in Reds, the speakers in there, and on Skyline stage, I'd imagine they're the same. Hang on. Let's not make a computer like that. What am I doing again? Oh yeah. And the system in Reds is Martin Audio, like not exactly array speakers. They're more basically got a subwoofer at the top. They got two speakers hanging down, a bit like an array. It's set without those subs along the bottom. There are some speakers where you got a separate sub and then you got next to it rather than hanging below it. There's actually the speakers rather than hanging below it. There's two speakers next to it, and that they say sound good, just as good as the L Acoustics ones. Excuse me. Jesus, it's gone on for 7 minutes already. Sorry if I'm dragging on. That Reds must have been a nightclub originally because there's lighting rigs all over the ceiling. It's huge. The sound system is insanely powerful too. So and they've got speakers all over the place. So to me, I think it used to be a nightclub. But then it moved into what to Jack's, which is inside. Well, just you have to go inside the Skyline Pavilion, and it's behind the doors there, and that's now a nightclub. So yeah, so the Skyline system, Martin Audio speakers, which sound awesome. I don't watch many shows there because they're mainly for kids on that stage, but they're still good. Yeah, fun fairs, really awesome. They've got a good waltzer here, and they've got a really fast. What they got? A really fast. Hang on, think of a minute. Sky Swinger. Literally goes straight up, starts spinning up to full speed in about 5 seconds flat. It's amazing. It even stops in the same speed and all. As well as that, you got a carousel, you got a Zamperla rocking tug, and the old famous Butlin's power trooper, as well as go karts, boat swings, and much more. Of course, you got the amusements here, Funworks amusements. You got your restaurants, and you got Splash Water World, which is pretty cool actually. Massive lazy river they got. They play really loud music in there. And they appear to have a DJ booth, but I have no idea what times they have DJs on if they do. But there is definitely a mixer up there, so yeah. I have no idea what times they're on. So check the website before you want to go in and see DJs in there. I'd love to, but I have no idea when they're on, so I have to look them up myself. So yeah, so you got the blue comet slide in there. It's just a normal fast slide. Unfortunately, when you get towards the bottom, the slide goes so fast that you get water splashing in your face right to the end. It doesn't really matter though. You got the black hole, and you got the space bowl, which is actually not as fast as the Bogner one. It's actually classed as a medium slide. So I think next time we Splash Water World, which will be tomorrow, most likely, I'll give it a shot. Because I have now been in the one down at Splashdown Pool, and I think I now like them. I didn't used to like them, but now I do. And of course, Minehead is home to the only remaining Master Blaster out of the 3 resorts, since the one at Skegness was obviously removed due to the refurbishment of Splash Waterworld there, and the one at Butlin was removed too. And I actually got stuck on that one once with my friend. Yeah, and the scary thing about this Master Blaster, I haven't been on it, but I've seen this. The drop sort of like goes right down to just above the pool area, and then goes back, and the raft goes back up. So it's like you're gonna fall into the pool, which is a pretty cool effect actually. So yeah, I'm going on for quite a bit now. As I say, I'm enjoying my stay here. I've filmed a little bit of stuff here for you, including the West Somerset Railway, which is really good. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.